Hey guys, we hope you're doing well. Today we'll show you how to install mods for FC26, specifically Karika Career Mod overall. This video will be divided into two sections. The first one, that is the first method to install mods, just the modding tool and the mod itself. And the second method, that is basically with Live Editor, in the case that the first one didn't work for you, okay? So let's start and just open your browser and go to the official website of editor tool that I'm going to give you in the description. Go to download, mod manager, and download again, and we'll give you this folder called FIFAModManager, the specific version that you got in that moment that you installed, and .rar of course. Just minimize your browser, open your file explorer, go to downloads, FIFAModManager, and drop it into desktop. Right click it, extract all, extract. After it's done, you can just close this window, and we're going to make exceptions to avoid that the antivirus block our modding tool. So go to antivirus, Windows Defender basically. Not sure how it works in other antivirus, you need to research by yourself if you have other antivirus. Go to the first option, the second one, this one. Go to the bottom, exclusions, add exclusions, put yes in the permission thing, add exclusion folder. And we're going to select the mod manager folder that we installed and is in the desktop. Just one click, select folder. And after that, we want to put the games folder. How I know where is the game? I'm going to show you where it is if you have the game by year or if you have the game by Steam. In the case you have the game by EA app, just open your EA app, click the game, manage, view properties, and here you have where is installed your game. So you just need to go to your Windows Defender, add exclusion folder, and follow that path that gives you the EA app. Okay, so in my case it's Program Files 86, eSport FC26. Let's search it and just click it, select folder. There it is, that's all. So in the case you have the game by Steam, just right click the icon of Steam, library, and right click your installed game, okay? Right click, properties, installed files, and here the first option, explore. Here is the path where you have installed your game by Steam, okay? So that's the way to know where you have the game installed. After we already make the exceptions, all is ready. The only thing we need to do is install the mods. So go to Nexus Mods, that is the page that I recommend you. Go to games, all games, and in search game put FC and just apply. Put FC26, popular, and there it is. Karika Career Mod overall. Files and download the one you prefer. In my case, the normal version. If you want to know the difference between two versions, you can read just the description, this part, to know that, okay? Minimize your browser, file explorer, downloads, drop this into the desktop too, right click it, extract all, extract. So now that we already have the mod, open the folder of mod manager, okay, and obviously run the application. So it's going to ask you permissions, of course, and it's going to open this. You might get a window saying you that you shouldn't trust on the folder, probably, of Windows antivirus. You just need to put info and run anyway. After it's load, just double click the game or just click it, make the folder and select, okay? Once it's ready, we only need to click in import mods. Go where you install the mod, or I can make you even more easy. Just go to the folder that you drop into the desktop, double click it and double click the mod. Press yes because it's going to ask you perms and it's going to appear here in mod manager. After that, just double click the mod and just go to your EA app, okay? And we need to type a specific code to make sure that the mod is going to be applied, okay? So what we need to do now is go to your EA app or your Steam and put this code into the advanced launch options. Why? Because in this way we can make sure that for those of you that have bad luck, the mod is going to work even though, okay? So in the case of EA app, just go to EA app, click the game, manage, view properties, and here you need to paste the code. I'm going to give you in the description the code too. Just copy, paste it, and save. Okay, in the case you have the game by Steam, I don't have it by Steam, but I'm going to show you with any other game, works exactly the same way. You just right click the game, properties, and here is the parameter that you need to put, okay? Just paste it and that's all. After paste it, just close the window, okay? Once that is ready, we only need to launch. If you hear some beeps, don't worry, it's Mod Manager basically with the bypass of the ANT cheat telling you that it's obviously applying the mods and all of that. After some time will appear the window of the game, and there it is. The mod is working. You can see the splash screen. If you see this splash screen, but after this one doesn't appear, it's because your mod is probably not working correctly, okay? So to make sure that it's actually working, we're obviously going into the game itself and make sure that if you obviously have the base version of the mod, not the compatible one, you have the licenses of Serie A. Just edit teams, team sheets, Italy, and there it is, AC Milan. So the mod is working. Now I'm going to show you how to make it work with Live Editor in the case that for any reason your mod didn't work with the first way, okay? So for that, we obviously want to go to our browser and go to Patreon. Once you are already in Patreon, we want to go to Explore, and here in Creators, we want to search Arnak2, okay, the first guy. And after that, you just need to scroll down and download the latest version of that moment. Don't download the version that I have. In the case, obviously, that is the latest one existing that moment, okay? Because this video, obviously, with time will be older. Just click here in the zip, and once it's ready, just minimize your browser, open your file explorer, downloads, Live Editor, select it, drop it to the desktop, right click it, extract all, extract. Okay, after that it's going to give you the folder, double click the launcher, the green launcher, okay? More information, run anyway. It's going to ask you admin perms, just press yes. Don't worry about this, it's nothing. No one got banned because of this application, never, because to make that happen, you literally will need to use this application online and you can't even connect to EA servers with modding tools, okay? So don't worry about it. Just press accept and it's going to appear this window. Okay, you can close it if you want. It's not needed to have it opened. Now go to Mod Manager and to this little option and auto launch Live Editor, sorry. And now just press launch, accept, and we'll give you this window. Will appear a pop-up here on top, like a black pop-up with some codes. That is basically this one. That is the anti-cheat bypass of the Live Editor. And after some time, will work. Same as before, the only difference is that now you're using Live Editor, so the bypass of the anti-cheat is not of the mod manager, is of the Live Editor. That's the major difference. Obviously, once you are in the game, make sure that everything is working, as I said before, with licenses of Serie A or the mod you installed, not sure what. With Live Editor will appear you a window like this. So to hide this, the only thing you need to do is press F9 and that's all. We'll be ready. Let's see if the licenses of Syria are there. Edit teams, edit team sheets, and Italy. And there it is, AC Milan, Atalanta, Inter Milan, and Lazio. That's all. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.